matakot sa akin.
Sige ba?
Bakit may gano'n? Huwag ka matakot sa akin.
Oh my God! Thank you, sir. Yeah, because Sir Tony is like a father to me and a mentor. Thank you, thank you. And I know you've been through something lately, so thank you. I appreciate the effort. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
This is Sir Tony, my mentor. Sir Tony Mabesa. Thank you. Oh my God. Dito, mag-wish na po ako. Hawakan ko na po, sir. I sincerely wish na mas maging matagumpay pa ang Dear Uge, patuloy tayong And I wish for my fellow actors here, Direk Joyce Bernal and Epi and Mr. Roy Vincent and Candy and everybody here, the cast, na mas maging makulay pa ang mga career ninyo.
Salamat.
Kasi we only want entertainment, the best entertainment for our audience. And seriously, I really wish for and pray for world peace. Hindi ako nagpapatawa. May surprise pa, Direk? Wala naman eh. Thank you, sir. God bless po. Thank you, Direk Soxy. Thank you, Dear Jeming. Thank you. And to our loyal viewers, thank you sa mataas na ratings po. Tuwing linggo, maraming